Launching at full speed, the aircraft carrier of vocational education, focusing on automotive education for more than 30 years, with over 2,000 teaching achievements of intellectual property rights and 100 colleges covering the whole country. Beifang Automotive Education is the world's largest comprehensive training base for advanced automotive talent, achieving the dreams of 600,000 automotive repair elites, globally recognized as the leading brand in international automotive education.
很多人问我成功的方法，首先你要有一手好功夫。北方汽车专修学校是一个学汽修功夫的好地方，跟我来。
Beifang has established 7 strategic collaborations. A joint industry academia research integration center with China Automotive Technology and Research Center, a joint industry academia research integration center with China Aerospace Science Technology Corporation, comprehensive cooperation with Diaoyutai State Gatehouse, in-depth collaboration with Tsinghua University, cooperation with Peking University, extensive collaboration with Shanghai Jiaotong University, and joint research and innovation with Baidu and Huawei. Beifang has achieved 8 world firsts in automotive education industry, with movie star Jackie Chan as ambassador. Beifang is now a unicorn in automotive teaching aids with 2,100 national patents, covering over 100 colleges nationwide, has 600,000 automotive repair students from all over the world. The Beijing Industry Academia Research and Training Innovation Base serves as a global showcase for automotive technology, offers online courses in 8 global languages, freely accessible worldwide. We possess 3 major laboratories focused on new energy, intelligent systems, and hydrogen technology, and have established vocational education cooperation with over 100 countries. The Mercedes-Benz Spatial Coordination System offers an explosive display of hundreds of components. Users can scan the QR codes on the parts to access 163 online video courses. The system is equipped with teaching materials, electronic textbooks, practical training work orders, and VR courses. Dynamic displays illustrate the operational principles of the V-Type 12-cylinder 500 kilowatt high-power engine, the 10-speed automatic manual transmission, electronic air suspension, intelligent power steering. Remote control features include lighting, windows, door locks, and air conditioning, along with remote teaching, online fault diagnosis, and data programming. The 3 major car series, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi, are based on traditional fuel vehicles and supplemented by new hybrid technology. We have developed 48 software applications, filed 86 invention patents, and created teaching materials and VR content. Scanning QR codes provides access to 360 online courses. Our comprehensive assessment encompasses 10 major systems, including a wall-mounted practical training system, a transparent vehicle chassis training platform, vehicle anatomy dissection, cutaway training vehicle, a 6-piece control linkage system, engine dissection, and modular boxes, allowing principles to be learned through assembly and diagnose faults through disassembly. The Toyota hybrid training system includes the entire lineup of models such as Corolla, Lexus, Camry, and Highlander, forming 10 teaching systems for fuel, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid vehicles. Dynamic demonstration of the structural principles of the hybrid Atkinson engine, dual motor systems, planetary gear mechanisms, and power battery packs, enabling 12 operational modes, including pure electric mode, engine mode, hybrid mode, and energy recovery. The BYD New Energy Training System includes the entire series of new energy models, such as Qin, Han, Tang, Song, and Atto 3, forming 10 comprehensive teaching systems with 80 pieces of training equipment and 360 online video courses. The wall-mounted hybrid training system provides a clear and intuitive demonstration of the complex operating principles of the battery pack, motor controller, drive motor, and engine. The control linkage system consists of 6 interconnected modules: power battery, drive motor, charging system, vehicle electronics, automatic air conditioning, and power steering. With 74 core component module boxes, users can scan QR codes to access video courses. The transparent vehicle chassis training system features 6 flexible units that can be learned individually before being combined for interactive training. The vehicle anatomy dissection exposes each component for clear observation of dynamic operation and interconnected with wall-mounted teaching aids. The cutaway training vehicle conducts dynamic tests on the chassis, simulating various driving conditions and collecting real-time dynamic data from the 3 electric systems. This data interacts seamlessly with all teaching aids, allowing for the configuration of 260 fault scenarios. The system aligns perfectly with national and international competition standards and is designated equipment for skill competitions by the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Human Resources, and industry associations. The Tesla training system features the entire lineup of all electric models, encompassing 10 teaching systems. It dynamically demonstrates single-pedal smart driving technology and full self-driving panoramic autonomous driving technology, integrating advanced sensor systems, high-performance computing platforms, and intelligent control technologies. Users can easily learn core technologies such as high-density lithium batteries, heat pump 8-way intelligent temperature control, and the combination logic of permanent magnet synchronous and asynchronous induction motors. New has pioneered a one-click battery swap mode, offering users a fast, convenient, and comfortable way to recharge. XPeng features a small cockpit, zero-gravity seats, and 800-volt fast charging technology. The Auto's range-extended hybrid offers 13,000 kilometers of endurance, combining luxury with spaciousness. The motor test bench collects and analyzes comprehensive data based on waveform, frequency, voltage levels, and current. This provides scientific data for future research and development of electric vehicles. By analyzing the chemical reactions of battery materials, energy density, we conduct data comparisons and detailed insights, offering reliable data for future research and development of battery charging and discharging technologies. The intelligent four-wheel drive system monitors the speed and torque of all 4 wheels in real time, controlling the coordinated operation of the front and rear motors. The digital 3-dimensional display clearly shows the interactions between vehicles to people, vehicles to vehicles, and vehicles to objects, with visible 5G cloud signals. By integrating the actual operation platforms, we achieve pedestrian avoidance, intersection management, traffic signal recognition, and smart parking, forming an AI digital twin intelligent transportation. The autonomous driving computing platform utilizes multiple sensors, including ultrasound, LiDAR, and stereo cameras, to gather information on traffic lights, pedestrians, obstacles, and Beidou satellite data. It issues timely commands to the drive-by-wire chassis for acceleration, deceleration, braking, and steering. enabling vehicle-road collaboration for autonomous driving. Hydrogen energy represents a revolutionary shift in global energy for the future. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power generate hydrogen through water electrolysis to store energy. In an electrolyzer, direct current is passed through, isolating the anode and cathode with a proton exchange membrane, facilitating a chemical reaction that produces hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen fuel cells supply hydrogen and oxygen to the anode and cathode, respectively, generating electrical current through a chemical reaction. The first hydrogen-powered bicycles and motorcycles produced by Beifang are equipped with a household hydrogen generator. Just 1 cup of water, 2 kilowatt-hours of electricity, and 1 tank of hydrogen can generate for 40 kilometers. The Metaverse digital technology base on VR, MR, enhanced reality teaching system offers immersive multi-user interaction. Users can touch, grab, zoom in and out, disassemble and integrate and rotate components in 360 degrees, interacting seamlessly with real car components, dynamically simulate the movement processes of automotive parts from all direction and in real time. Beifang is the world's largest research and production base for vocational education teaching aids, providing hardware and software solutions for over 5,000 vocational institutions, both domestically and internationally. We offer teaching resources and research materials to countries around the world. With 6 production bases and 12 production lines, we produce 20,000 sets of vehicle teaching aids annually, establishing ourselves as a unicorn enterprise in the research and development of automotive teaching aids. Beifang provides strategic partners with teaching equipment, teacher training, a series of textbooks, teaching models, online courses, assessment systems, industry certifications, technical support for skill competition equipment, pattern sharing, and collaborative research and development, ensuring their healthy and high-quality growth. With 30 years of profound experience and a global perspective, Beifang consistently leads the transformation of automotive technology education, empowering the entire industry chain and supporting the development of global automotive education. Beifang Automotive Education.